Today we're about to discuss about the chain rule. And my name is Steve Peterson A. Casiano.
And I am Midshipman Carlo Vera.
I am JC Well.
And I'm Midshipman Marin.
So first we will talk about the definition of chain rule. The chain rule in calculus is a formula for finding the derivative of composite function. If y is to f times g times x, then the derivative is function times g times x times g times x.
So today I will give an example about chain rule. The formula is if y is equals to function of g times x, then the derivation of formula g times x times g times x. So for example, we have 3x plus 2 cube. Then we imagine that this have 1. We multiply this and this, so it will become 3 times 3x plus 2. So next step, after we multiply, we derive 3x plus 2. So it will become 3 plus 2 and imagine we have 3. I mean 2. So we multiply 3 and 2 and the answer will be 6 is equals to 3x plus 2. So that is the example of chain rule. I hope you understand. Thank you.